Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's get right to the question. The 50th question of the 50 top ALJ trick questions. Here we go. The judge will ask, so you are currently going to school, right? Right. You're currently going to school, right? And the reason why this is such an important question, because if you're going to school, you are intending to get a job in that field, and you are capable of keeping focus, concentration, keeping focus, keeping concentrating, and staying on a schedule. Basically, you're proving that you could do a high-level job, let alone a lower SVP skill-oriented job. If you're going to school, you're getting trained for a purpose, for a vocation, right? That's the point of school. No, it's to further my education. No. The point is you're going to get a job. You're going to make more money. You're going to get a job, okay? That's what you're going to do. All right. Somebody hold that guy's beer. So what you're going to do with this particular thing is, if you're going to school, you better have a really good reason why you can't work in that field thereafter. Or you're going to have to explain why you are going to go work in that field. And if you go work in that field, guess what? They're unlikely to give you disability benefits because you are purposely training for a vocation. You're in school, which means you can sit for an extended period. You can stay focused. You can concentrate. You can stand. You can walk. You can do all these things. Only go part-time at night. Yeah, but you're still prepping yourself for ultimately getting a full-time job. Otherwise, you wouldn't be going to school. The only time that even winkles a little bit is if you're talking about just completing your GED. Otherwise, if you're in college, forget it. You're being trained for a specific purpose. Because you got to pick a major, maybe a minor. It's up to you. And for all of you geniuses out there that are sitting there thinking, I'm going to get 2 majors, college is nothing. Go get a major and then go get a real degree thereafter. And don't stop at your master's. Go get a doctorate. Go get a doctorate. And then when you're done with that, go get postdoctorate education. I don't want to do that. You can work while you can do it. You're not broken. Unless you're disabled. In which case, then you don't have to do it. See how that works? Cool. We're going to be doing one more question. Now, when somebody comes to you and says, what did Attorney Walter Hnot, ever give you? It's question 51 on this sheet of paper of the top 50 ALJ questions. That's what I gave you. So let's go ahead and look at this. If you want the most up-to-date information or you have a question, give me a call, shoot me an email. Also, at 8 p.m. on 4/9/20, that's like next Thursday, not tomorrow, but next Thursday, I will be live on YouTube, and every Thursday thereafter at 8 p.m. If you want to call me, 407-279-1754, 407-279-1754, and ask me questions relevant to your ALJ hearing, as in me grilling you like you're at the hearing, I'm going to do it. But keep in mind, other people are going to be calling in, so if I don't get you that week, you can always hit me up next week. You don't have to be my client to do that. I'm now going to catch you at the extra pepperoni question. Question 51 of the top 50 ALJ trick questions. This is the secret question. All right. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.